I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame with your man TP. Today, for only the second time, we are courtroom hopping into the courtroom of Judge Sheila Johnson out of the state of Michigan. And wouldn't you know, my first time ever being in Judge Johnson's courtroom was only my 8th video upload. So this was months ago. I don't even know how many videos we're at now, but I got a chance to see Judge Johnson in action pretty early on. And one thing about her, she does not play. And today she had a sovereign citizen appear before her by the name of Timothy Daniels. So I'm going to share that. He just was in court not too long ago, maybe 5 or 6 hours ago. But I also am going to add Mr. Michael Harris, which was from that previous proceeding that I shared months ago. And you're going to see that Judge Johnson is very consistent in how she handles sovereign citizens. I'm not going to add any commentary to this. Thank you guys, as always, for joining me here on Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of the stuff you guys been doing. Know that I see your comments. Sometimes I don't get a chance to reply to all of them, but know that most of the time I see them, and I just want to say thank you guys. So listen, it's about that time for us to go ahead and jump into Judge Johnson's courtroom.
Case number 25-00791 FY State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby.
Behalf of the people.
7446, standing in for the attorney of record, Van Donick, and appearing on behalf of Mr. Timothy Dansby, who stands to my right. Mr. Dansby, can you please state your full name for the record?
Timothy Dansby.
All right, Mr. Dansby, we're back. Do you mind having Ms. Miller stand in for Mr. Gonick for today's hearing?
I thought to the court, I still reserve my right. I mentioned all of the previous hearings, but part of today's process has been going what's going, so continue doing what it's doing, but I still.
Does that mean you don't mind her standing in?
One interpret.
Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna play that game. It's a yes or no question.
Howdy.
Okay, do you want to adjourn it and see who it is? You have a right to have the counsel of record present if you want to be here instead of Miss Miller. And this is basically for a probable cause conference and adjourn date on a retail fraud first degree. When we had adjourned it before for your lawyers to get video discovery. So do you mind her standing in or no? Okay, so you don't want a lawyer, sir? I'll release him if you don't want one. Nobody's gonna force you to have a lawyer to help you. If you want to do it all yourself, do it. Do you want me to release the lawyers?
You know, thing for him soon right now.
Do you want a lawyer? Yes or no? It's a real easy question, sir. It don't take all day. Listen here. Okay, if you don't answer the question, I'm going to release the lawyers. If that's what, because you've been complaining the whole time about, I didn't ask for no state attorney. I don't want to, I don't know what it, whatever you going to do. No, I'm not doing anything. I didn't appoint the person in the first place. I didn't do it. Okay, so you don't want them? Is that what you're telling me? Do you want them? Yes or no?
All on the same.
Sir, listen, this is not going to be a matter of semantics. Do you want one or not? Because nobody's going to force a lawyer on you. I'll be happy to handle this case with you by yourself, doing whatever you can do to help yourself. If that's what you want.
I still ain't got my discovery, so.
So do you want a lawyer?
I'm sorry, I'm standing on the same thing I stand.
I don't even know what that is. Whatever your claim is, I don't know. Okay, let's release the lawyers. All right. Now, you're not getting another one. I'm just telling you.
I reserve the right for judiciary and judiciary finding on the legitimacy of the court.
You're not getting another lawyer, okay?
Oh, yeah, I said
I don't know whatever, what you can reserve what you want. I don't mind.
finding the other court and the legitimacy of the court as far as the
Sir, whatever you want to do, you can do. But since you don't want a lawyer, I can't by law give you one. So,
That was three Germans ago.
guess what? So,
Lord have you given me the things that I need.
okay, sir, nobody can give you anything but a piece of paper. They can give you that. They could give you the police report. They cannot give you the videos because there's no way for you to watch them.
Make sure that the law library at the court, give an order that the law library at the court either have a clerk or somebody to present the information for me to see the video. I don't know, maybe you just don't want to get done.
Sir, I don't even know. I don't know anything about your law library wherever. All I know is these video files, they're files. They come on a computer.
So, the law library should get somebody to be giving people at the law library a heads up to make it law.
Well, you know what? That's up to you to figure out how you gonna get them.
I'll let the second sort figure it out. Second circuit figure it. You know, probably judge, second court, Supreme Court, we let them figure it out. I'm straight. Well, I ain't doing nothing.
Ready for me to take them?
Your Honor, would you like, Mr. Donovan to file any sort of motion or
No,
hold order to have him withdraw?
no, I'm gonna write an order out right now, releasing him. And so we will reset this, I guess. I don't know why we got him. We could actually bring him back out. And he could decide what he wants to do today.
I do know that, he is wanting to have his preliminary examination, that is.
Okay, well, let's set it for an exam then. How many witnesses, Mrs. Shockley?
Probably just me one.
All right. You want to wait for your order, you can.
Okay, thank you. One witness.
Right.
Yeah, one witness and one defendant that's gonna make it way longer than it's supposed to be. So factor that in.
Court's available October 3rd at 10:30.
All right. So October 3rd at 10:30. Is the exam date. And could you ask Mr. Gonick to make sure he gets a discovery, what he has, over to this person?
I believe that paper discovery has already been given to him. I'll see if the court or if the jail will allow us to give any sort of drive or anything like that that encloses the videos.
This record, I would advise the court, the discovery, the AV discovery in this matter is 99% police body worn camera, which has the defendant in it, and there's only one in-store video of the defendant walking past that. So. You
Okay.
didn't know it.
Okay. Well, good. Just make sure he sees it. Just some of your best efforts on that. And here's the order. In the terms of she was still with her. What did I get? I did. Let me just see. Mhm.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Mr. Harris, would you please come to the podium?
I challenge jurisdiction.
Mr. Harris, I need you to step to the podium.
If I step to the podium, it'll be under threat, duress, coercion.
Well, fine, just do it.
Okay, no problem. But I'm here, I'm at the podium under threat, duress, and coercion. Other than that, I challenge jurisdiction.
Okay.
Without prejudice, I, Mikael - Eric Colin Harris, comma, beneficiary and sovereign principal, am here under fraud, threat, duress, coercion, and extortion fiduciary, Ms. Sheila Johnson. This is a Social Security Cessate Trust action in which you are now a real party and interest to. This is a military admiralty tribunal and maritime law. So you accept the challenge of the jurisdiction.
You can challenge it. I'm not stopping you from challenging it.
Do you accept the challenge?
I don't know what you mean by accept the challenge.
Do you accept that this is a maritime admiralty law?
No.
You don't accept that?
This has nothing to do with admiralty, sir. This is simply a charge that you're here for.
Yeah, but
It's nothing to do with the sea, vessels, or anything like that, which are boats. Admiralty law applies to that.
yes.
This right here is a driving a car offense. And it's a 93-day misdemeanor carrying up to $500 fine, and it carries a possible suspension of your driver's license, additional points to your driver's license, and possible vehicle immobilization of any vehicle that you're driving. That's what this charge is, and it's not admiralty law. You're using language that legally doesn't make sense for what we're here for.
But all this is a corporation.
Okay,
This is not a are you saying this is not a corporation?
sir,
I'm asking.
I have no idea what you're even talking.
But I'm asking you a question. I mean, it is not maritime admiralty law and
It's
also
not maritime law.
Is it a
No.
Now that Judge Johnson has that out of the way, she says, listen, Mr. Harris, it's time to run down these charges.
I'm telling you what I know doesn't apply.
right? I never said that though.
Okay.
What I said is I am a sovereign principal and I am the beneficiary.
Well, sir,
You are fiduciary.
I'm telling you that what you are as whoever you are is charged with today. Now, you have certain options here. You can certainly have a trial if you want a trial on whether or not you are operating a motor vehicle without a valid license from the state of Michigan because it was suspended.
I object. I've equipped you with all the information you need to show down the sovereign principle and also to show you in your constitution, it says that I can travel.
Sir, if you want to file a motion, file a motion.
Okay,
Because no one can respond to all of this. Whatever you're saying,
I motion that
he can't respond to it.
I motion that you.
You have to file it in writing and cite your authority under law.
I did that.
And if you want to do that, you can do that. Otherwise, we're going to have to set your case for trial.
Under a Power of Appointment Act of 1951, I appoint the judge, executive. I would like y'all not to breach a contract. I mean, breach of duty, breach of fiduciary duties.
Give me a jury trial date.
May 9th.
May 9th, 8:30. If you need to file a motion between now and May 9th, you better do it before the end of March.
Have a great day.
I'm not threatening you. Say one more word and that's 30 days. 30 days.